the Harvard researchers have developed a new, flat lens that, they say, can focus all the colors of the rainbow. This is a significant deviation from camera lenses made today, which are curved, bulky and take up more space. The researchers successfully focus the light with this goal, what they call a metalens, but on an extremely small scale. Nanoparticles can be thousands of times thinner than a human hair. While it is an impressive feat, major technology companies such as Apple and Samsung are not even close to putting this technology in the next phones and cameras. It is possible that one day allow VR cameras, telephones and headphones to incorporate larger lenses that take up less space. This could allow devices to exploit this extra room for other purposes, such as hardware and batteries, or add larger lenses without requiring a larger and heavier device. Some forms of visible light have long red wavelengths and others much shorter blue ones. So, to capture all these colors at once, current cameras use curved lenses to focus all incoming light simultaneously to capture an image. This precise process has worked for over a century, but these lenses inherently occupy more space. Metalenses have advantages over traditional lenses. Metalenses are thin, easy to manufacture and profitable. This advance extends those advantages throughout the visible range of light. This is the next big step. These tiny metalenses contain even smaller nanofine structures, which control the speed of different types of light when they enter the essentially flat lens.